To add Razorpay on your GoDaddy website, start by creating a Razorpay account. Go to the Razorpay website and sign up for a new account by providing your email address and password. Fill out the registration form with your business details, including name, address, and contact information. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent by Razorpay. Once your account is verified, log into your Razorpay dashboard and navigate to the Settings section. Click on the API Keys tab and generate a new key. You will need this key to integrate Razorpay with your GoDaddy website. Copy the API key and API secret. You will need these later. Now, log into your GoDaddy website builder and navigate to the Payment section. Look for the Razorpay Payment Gateway option and click on it. If you don't see Razorpay as an option, you may need to install a third-party plugin or extension. Enter the API key and API secret you generated earlier. Configure the payment settings as per your requirements, including the currency, payment methods, and checkout options. Make sure to test the payment gateway by making a test transaction to ensure everything is working correctly. Finally, deploy your changes and make your website live. Your customers can now make payments using Razorpay on your GoDaddy website. Make sure to keep your API keys secure and don't share them with anyone. Regularly update your Razorpay plugin or extension to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. By following these steps, you can easily add Razorpay to your GoDaddy website and start accepting payments from your customers. Razorpay provides a secure and reliable payment gateway, and integrating it with your GoDaddy website is a straightforward process.